Welcome to Zonix AI Creation. Have you ever looked into your own eyes in a mirror and felt a strange, deep connection to a world you've never seen? Modern physics suggests that we are not alone in our existence. The theory of parallel universes proposes that for every choice you make, a new reality is born. Imagine a world where a broken teacup mends itself in an instant, or a reality where history took a completely different path. In these layers of existence, a simple door standing in a desert could be a gateway to a frozen forest, and your very shadow could have a life of its own. Thousands of floating realities exist like bubbles in a cosmic ocean, each containing a different version of our world. Sometimes, digital glitches in our reality hint at these hidden dimensions, connecting us all through a shimmering bridge of light. But what is time? Is it a solid, unchangeable line, or is it fluid like a melting clock? Albert Einstein taught us that time is a fabric that can be bent and warped. Near the immense gravity of a black hole, time itself begins to slow down to a crawl. This is the science of gravitational lensing, where even light is forced to curve. Within our own DNA, a biological clock ticks in sync with the universe. Scientists in high-tech laboratories use massive particle accelerators to unlock these secrets, trying to understand why sand might flow upward in a different dimension. In this quantum realm, a star can reverse its own death, turning back into a brilliant sun. Here, a compass needle spins in every direction at once, proving that the old man and the young boy are just different points on the same rotating ring of time. So, how do we cross these boundaries? A wormhole could be the ultimate shortcut through space and time, appearing in the most unexpected places. Imagine stepping into a glass pod, surrounded by blue electricity, or accelerating a vehicle until it vanishes into a flash of light. With the touch of a mysterious time stone, we could witness the rise of futuristic cities in 3025 or see the ancient pyramids in their original glory. We could walk through a portal and find ourselves millions of years in the past, standing among giants. By navigating the cosmic strings of the universe, we can dive into the heart of a nebula or look through a window at our own past selves. These are the digital waves of time, moving us through a grand machinery of light and steam. However, playing with time comes with a heavy price. If you change the past, do you fade away like dust into the wind? This is the grandfather paradox, where colliding timelines create waves of chaos. You could find yourself trapped in a never-ending loop, walking the same street forever. A cracked mirror might show every version of you at different ages, all staring back at once. In these fractured realities, cities are built and destroyed in a matter of seconds. A tiny event, like the flap of a butterfly's wing, can trigger a massive storm in the future. In these broken worlds, time loses its meaning. Clocks have 13 hours, and people begin to vanish from their own family photographs. Reality starts to leak, stars appear inside our homes, and we look up to see a sky dominated by 2 moons. As we gaze back at our peaceful Earth from the silent void of space, we begin to realize that our understanding of reality is just a small fragment of the truth. Whether we are resting in a futuristic park or waking up from a dream that felt too real, the mystery continues. Every portal we open and every sunrise we witness in a distant galaxy brings us closer to the ultimate answer. Thank you for joining Zonix AI Creation on this epic journey through time and space. We hope this exploration has expanded your mind. As you look at the key to time in your hand, remember that every choice matters. And now, I leave you with this: if you could travel back and change just one mistake in your past, knowing it might change who you are today, would you do it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more mysteries. Until next time, keep dreaming.